This idea is genius. ALM now has cost-effective, in-depth laundry management education available on your time without leaving your home or office. It's ALM's Certified Laundry and Linen Manager certification, CLLM Online. Through the new interactive courses, the CLLM is brought to life through a series of animations, video demonstrations, assessments, and other learning activities. The CLLM prepares managers and supervisors to excel by achieving higher productivity, lower costs, and better quality, helping the business's bottom line. Need information on one aspect of the industry without working on a full certification? No problem. The CLLM Online is available in individual courses to assist sales professionals in building their knowledge to help customers troubleshoot issues, or to help laundries bring managers and supervisors quickly up to speed on an aspect of the industry they may not be familiar with. To learn more, visit almnet.org/CLLM.